How to create a seller account in Temu. Ever wondered how you can start selling on Temu? It's easier than you think. Hi there, welcome to One Stop Solution. If you are ready to join the Temu marketplace and start selling your products, follow along with this easy step-by-step guide. First things first, open any web browser and type in seller.temu.com. This is where you will start your seller account setup. Once the page loads, click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will need to choose your business location from the drop-down menu. Make sure to select the correct country where your business operates. Now, add either your email address or phone number to associate with your account. This will be used for account recovery and notifications. Next, create a strong password that meets the requirements listed below the password box. Make sure it's secure and easy for you to remember. Re-enter your password to confirm it, then click Continue to proceed to the next step. A verification code will be sent to the email or phone number you provided. Check your inbox, copy the code, and paste it into the verification box. Now fill in your business details, seller information, and shop information. This includes your business name, type, and additional details about you and your store. After filling in all the required information, click Next to send your application for verification. Temu will verify your information, which may take some time. Once your application is approved, you will officially become a seller on Temu. And that's all there is to it. You have now learned how to become a seller in Temu. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy selling!